Guys, Abel here from Prasad's. Basically wanting to show you how you would pot some of Charlie's seed. So what we've done is we've got a little peat pellet, really easy to use. Throw it into a nice bucket, add roughly 700 mils of warm water. And if you have a look, it will start disintegrating quite quickly. So once the water gets into it, it basically just falls apart and it will turn into a soil. So we'll give that a few minutes just to go through its paces, and that will go through. So what we've done is we've gone and gotten some terracotta pots, which we stock here at Prasad's. And ideally what you want to do is fill it up with soil.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so as you can see, soil is getting there, okay? So basically these peat pellets expand to make these beautiful, nice soil, which we're going to be using for our little seeds here. Right? So what we can do, actually, to speed up the process, as you can see, it's got a lot of liquid in it. So when you get it, I always suggest giving a good little squeeze like that. We'll just throw some in here for now, because we'll get more and more as we squeeze it out. Ideally, because this is a video, we just want to quickly show you how to seed it. So you'd throw in a good amount. So I only put that much in there, okay, because I like giving the stalks a little bit of room to grow up and have a little bit of stability. In there you'll see Charlie's seeds, so we'll get them in mine. Now I suggest putting only 3 or 4 of these bad boys in, but I love mucking around, so in one I'm just going to put heaps. I want it to grow nice and bushy. My mum's at home killing me right now, I can just tell her.
What are you doing?
Okay, and then you just get more soil, right, drain it off and lightly sprinkle on top, okay, just lightly, because I want those seeds to germinate and pop straight up. You don't want too much pressure on them, and by the time you water it in every day, that soil will eventually compress naturally. And there we go, guys. That is as simple as 1, 2, 3, and give it a water. I actually will throw some Glad wrap later on over the top of it, and it will look pretty amazing. All right, guys, definitely check out Charlie's patch. We've just planted the seeds, $3. Pots are like $2. Perfect gift to do. Perfect activity, actually, to make with your children, your girlfriend, boyfriend. Give it a go. Have a good day, guys. See you later.